This is a bird, so is this and this. But have you wondered where do they come from? Fear not, today I have an answer.
I thought we will look for a bird.
Surprise? Birds or dinosaurs? Meet Archaeopteryx, one of the first bird-like creatures.
It has feathers, but also claws and teeth.
Yep, it's a part dinosaur, part bird. It could glide, but real flyings come later.
Whoa, that bird can actually fly and with no teeth.
Exactly! Birds evolved lighter body, shorter tails, and beaks. Flying becomes easier.
Oh, is that?
The asteroid! It wiped out most dinosaurs.
No way, this bird came from dinosaurs.
Yeah, over millions of years. They adapted to different environments. Some soar, some swim, and some even lost flight, like penguins.
I still can't believe I'm looking at a tiny dinosaur right now.
So, bam, now you know. Birds are the last living dinosaurs.
My blown. Next question, can I get a pet raptor?